Good news for NEET aspirants. Toppers Academy, which is one of the best coaching for NEET and IIT preparation, it's starting its NEET crash course for NEET 2023, which is a highly recommended and pocket-friendly course. If I talk about the features of this course, then they will cover your complete syllabus by the end of the April only, and they will give more emphasis on answer solving skills. They will also provide you online test series for which you can apply and you can take the test to analyze your preparation, which will also help you to crack the exam easily. Also, MCQ discussion hours will be there to help your MCQ on objective field. If I talk about this coaching, the Toppers Academy, that it is one of the best coaching for your NEET preparation, and its crash course is highly recommended for you. And this course is starting on 15th February 2023, so please enroll.